Hi, this is Joy from CB Source. Today I'm filling in for our art manager, and I just want to take a little time to wish everybody Happy New Year. I hope everybody have a wonderful, wonderful year, healthy New Year. We decided to start making the simple earrings as the new year beginning. People that really wanted to start their own businesses, we encourage you to start with something small. For example, earrings. Everybody or every woman or every person likes wearing earrings. So you start something small. Plus, when you make earrings, it requires just a few materials to make such a wonderful, wonderful piece. So let's begin. Today is very simple. A little dangling earring. And what I have here is 4mm Bicon Swarovski opaque blue, or I would say sapphire. That's what we're gonna use. And I have my ball pins as well. I love using ball pins because that little ball out here, it brings a little something to the jewelry if you use the ball pin. Some people prefer head pins. Head pins is always good as well. What I'm using here right now is 24 gauge, 3 inches ball pin, gold plated. And sometimes when you get the pin, it might not be straight. You know, when you get it, all you gotta do is use your fingers and straighten it up, and it's very, very easy to do that. And also, I have my ear wire. Some people call it French wire. It's also here. When you check cbsource.com, you will see it on there. That is very easy to open. So let's get started. You need these tools. This is round nose, or some people call it needle nose. Very simple. It gets its name because of how it looks. The tip is like a needle, and you can use it to do other stuff. So I have my needle nose right here, and I have my flat nose as well. Very easy to use. You know, this is stainless steel. If you go to cbsource.com, we have them all there. And also, you need your cutter. You need nice and sharp wire cutter. It's always good to have. And also be careful of cutting the wires as well. I will show you whilst I'm making it how to cut the wire safely. And you know, you have to be very cautious, because sometimes when the wire that you're using is short and you cut it, it jumps up. So you have to be careful. And then I have my scissors. You know, it comes in handy. You have to have it all. You know, even though you might not use it, or something will come up that you use it. So I always want to have my tools by me, or our tools, and something that you're comfortable with. And if you're starting your own business, you don't have to go all the way buying all these tools. Just buy simple economical ones, the ones that you will start to use, and as time goes on, you can invest in more tools, fancy tools. But for now, you can always go and get yourself, you know, you go to our website cbsource.com. We have economical tools that you can use, and it's very good tools as well. So I have my tools, I have my ball pins. What I need to do is I need to put 3 beads on this wire. Okay, This is 3 beads on this wire, as you can see. And I will use my round nose right here. Sorry for the noise. You hold it this way. I have to make a loop, very simple loop that you can do. See how I did it? So I turn it and I use my left finger and I just have to wrap this. It's very, very easy. It's not hard. And sometimes too, the pins has everything to do with it. So if you're not used to, or if you started, always use 22 gauge, 24 gauge wire. And if you're a beginner, the higher the number, the thinner is the pin. So just in case, you know, make a note. The higher the number, the thinner the wire. So now I made this very simple loop right there. I use my cutter, and this is where I said you have to be careful. So you will touch, you will hold the pin and cut it. This way you have the little piece still in your hand. So now that I cut, and if you see or if you feel it, it still have a little rough edge, what I do is I will take my little flat nose and you just have to tuck this in, just a little tuck. And that's it. We repeat the same thing again. 3 beads. Use your round nose. Very simple and easy to do. So it's the same thing repeating. I have made 4. I put 4 beads on the wire and 4 beads on the wire. So if you look, I have 2 sets and 2 sets right here. So all I need is a jump ring. And you can use any jump ring that you like to use, but I prefer using a little heavier gauge to hold the earring. So this I have right here is 20 gauge jump ring, and the size is 8 millimeter. So I have to open it, and this, as I showed you before, is my ear wire. And I have another flat nose. And when you open your jump ring, always make sure you use 2 flat nose to open it. Very gentle. You hold it and you push it towards you. Very gentle, and it will open really nice. So I'm slipping this 2 on, and I'm slipping my ear wire on as well. So now the way you open it, you're gonna open it just the opposite way. So initially I did open it towards me. Now I'm closing it from me, and you hear that click. And that's it. That's a beautiful dangling earring. And you repeat the same thing again. You open it towards you. I slip in. And you close it from you. And that's it. we get our beautiful dangling earring that you can wear it anywhere you want to go. Or if you want to sell this, it's really good to start something like I mentioned earlier. Very simple, very nice. Thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.